Hello everyone, how to fix MS Teams error? Invitation, invitation failed, an error has occurred. Please retry again shortly in 4 ways. The first, I will explain the problem. When I received this email for join the Microsoft Teams meeting, online meeting, I opened this link which is sent to my registered email, which is Gmail, and open this link. And when opening this link, there will be a question to ask me to join using Microsoft account. So I will join using my Microsoft account as he told, and then there is some conflict here. So you are currently signed in as blah 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 at Hotmail or Gmail. However, you are invited through the other email, the email would send. So I will press switch account, but this the error message, which is invitation redemption failed. An error has occurred, and this happened in Microsoft Teams. So the first solution is to restart your computer. You will put here and then power and restart your computer. This is the first solution. The second solution, you have to, if this not working, you have to go to Microsoft and Microsoft.com, and when entering your Microsoft.com, you will enter here and then sign in using the email which you want to use for signing in Microsoft Teams. And here, go to the account, and in the account, there are recovery email. You have to remove this recovery email because it makes conflict with your email. So you have to remove this email in the recovery from privacy or the security here. This one, I think. Privacy, yes. Privacy. And sign in. And here ask you to verify your identity. So you will press here and you will press the code here and go back and remove the other email which conflict with you in the privacy. Okay, so this is the second solution. So the first solution is to go to the setting here in the setting. If this is not working, you go to the setting, and in the setting you will select network and internet here, and and the proxy here. You will automatically detect setting, or you have to use a proxy server disable or put it in off. If it's on, please put it in off. Okay, so this is the third solution. If it's not working, you have to send email or call him by phone or WhatsApp, the admin who sent you this message or this link. So ask him to activate your email or do something, especially for ask him to about this conflict or this error, and he will do the activation or reset your configuration in their system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to reach every new and important video we upload, and share the video with others, and please like if you like it. And with you, Engineer Osama Ghandour. Thanks for watching the video.